So today's video, you're going to be using tomato and milk to achieve clear skin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, like my many videos which I show you guys, I'm going to be giving a DIY and a recipe. It's going to be a skincare regimen. If you're a regular on my channel, you know that this is what I usually preach. I like using organic things in order to achieve the perfect skin, and this video is no different from the others. I'm going to be using two basic ingredients, very simple ingredients, in order to achieve clear skin. I get a lot of requests, or I have a lot of people that comment that, oh, why do I share this method? Let me just reiterate it in this video, and I think I have to like put it out here in every single video. So the thing is, you can use one or several methods in order to achieve the same goal. So you can go through different routes in order to achieve at the same destination. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's not as if I'm going to downplay one over the other. It all depends on how convenient it is for you. It depends on what you have at your disposal. So that is why I share different videos, because I have people asking me that, oh, you spoke about toothpaste and this the other time, you're talking about ginger, you're talking about tomato. I'm just trying to say these are some of the things you can use to achieve the same method of what you're looking for. So today's video, you're going to be using tomato and milk to achieve clear skin. So if you've been looking for how to get clear skin, I got you. This video is specifically made for you, because we're going to be using these two ingredients that you can find in your house to get very clear skin. So just join me. Let's do this together. Guys, so like I said, we're going to be using two major ingredients, your tomato or your tomato and some milk. You can use fresh milk, you can use powdered milk mixed with water. Any one that you have is absolutely fine. Don't fret if you don't have this kind of milk that I'm using. You can use fresh milk, you can use powdered milk, you can use almond, you can use coconut milk, you can use full cream milk. I would advise full cream because of the proteins it has. And the reason why I'm going to be using tomato and milk in this case is because they work perfectly well to brighten your skin tone very well. They are rich in vitamin C, especially the tomato, and it has astringent and antioxidant properties which can help to clear your oily or your dark skin. It will also help to balance the pH levels of your skin. So all these things work together to give you the right skin tone, the right clear skin that you've always desired. Using the milk will help to shrink your pores. It will hydrate the skin. It will reduce dark spots and scars around your face, and it will also add some radiance to your face. Tomato contains lycopene, which also gives you some brightening properties in addition with the milk. So guys, to do this is very, very simple. This is one of the simplest skincare regimens you can do ever. So I'm just pouring some milk into that, and I'll just cut like a slice of my tomato. Just like this. So guys, you're going to just leave your tomato slice in the milk for like 5 seconds. Let it just soak through and make sure that it captures enough milk. You can do this back and forth. Of course, when you're doing this in the comfort of your home, you know when it is okay for you before you put it on your face. So I'm just going to leave it here like this for about 5 seconds. Like I said, I'll just swirl it around and make sure that I have some milk. You can see, make sure you have like milk going into the tomato skin so that it mixes with the tomato juice. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you feel it's not enough, you go back, you leave the tomato right in the milk until when it is well saturated. And when you achieve what you want, then it's time for it to go on your face. So guys, I have my tomato and my milk. Like you see, it's well saturated already. So the next thing I'll just do is I'll rub it all over my face in circular motions like so. I like it when it is cold so that it will further more shrink my pores. You know, when you have oily skin, it's nice for you to shrink your pores because of the oiliness that comes out from all the glands. So when you see that the milk is totally off from the tomato, you go back and forth, you make sure that it is covered with some milk again, and you apply it on your face. So you have to do this like back and forth until when you're satisfied or until when the milk and the tomato juice covers your entire face. So just do this and you rub it in circular motions. Another thing I would like to point out here is that I would advise you to do this with a cold tomato, because this furthermore helps you to shrink your pores, especially if you have oily skin. After you've done this, I would advise you to go to bed like this. Usually this should not be harsh on your face, but like I will always say, try to do a patch test to be sure that it will work well for your skin. But if everything goes on well, just apply it like so, the way you've applied it on your face, leave it to dry and go to bed like that. In the morning, you wake up and you wash your face with some cold or lukewarm water, you apply your moisturizer and you're good to go. How often should you do this? I would advise you to do this at least 2 times a week in order to get great results. Trust me, I've had my own share of dark spots on my face. I even have some dark spots on my face as well. And of course, I've been working on it and it is clearing off with this tomato and milk treatment. It can be a lot worse, but at least it's a lot better than what it used to be like before. So by the time you do this consistently, you have to be consistent. Like you have to do it regularly in order to get the results. If you can do it at least twice a week, you will definitely see results. Consistency is very key. So that's from me today, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and use this opportunity to also share with your friends, with your girlfriends, with your buddies, everybody that needs to benefit from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Just stay beautiful. Bye.